Hi, I'm Matt with EPB, and this is EPB Home Tech Tips. You think you know everything that your Amazon Fire TV stick can do? Well, today I'm going to show you 3 hidden features that you may not have known you can do with your Amazon Fire TV. Control your TV from your phone. Do you have a hard time keeping up with your remote for your Amazon Fire TV? It's small, it can get lost easily in your couch cushions. Here's a neat solution. How about turning your smartphone into a remote? First, make sure your phone and remote are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then download the Fire TV app and select the name of your Fire TV. Type the 4-digit code displayed on your TV and you're all set. Now you can use your phone to control channel changes and searches. It's even voice enabled. Alexa, launch EPB Fire TV. Turn your TV into a family photo album or art gallery. When you're not watching TV, why not make it part of your decor? Just download the Amazon Photos app to your smartphone, create an album, and put whatever makes you happy in it. Family pictures, vacation photos, cats, cute puppies, you name it. On the Fire TV stick, select Settings, then go to Display and Sound, then select Screensaver. Tap Collections, and then select your album from the list. You can tweak the slideshow settings like speed, shuffle, and start time. Now you can relive your memories or view your favorite artwork in 4K instead of staring at a blank screen. You can watch in surround sound with Bluetooth headphones. You know, there's those late nights where you want to watch TV, but you don't want to wake up your family. Well, you can actually pair your Bluetooth headphones to your Amazon Fire TV. And most Bluetooth headphones these days come with surround sound. So you're going to be in for an epic late night TV watching experience. Here's how to set it up. On your Fire TV stick, select Settings from the main menu. Then select Controllers and Devices, and then Other Bluetooth Devices. Select your Bluetooth headphones or speaker, and that's it. Companies like Amazon are coming out with new features all the time, so be sure to check out our other videos and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you next time.